Hey fellow gamers! Today we're about to explore the Monitor Multiverse 1, where refresh rates are faster than your caffeine-fueled heartbeats. As games become more demanding, choosing the right monitor can enhance both competitive and casual gaming experiences. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just a button-mashing enthusiast, having the right display can turn your gaming den into a digital paradise. So, grab your favorite energy drink. We will cover the top 5 best gaming monitors, focusing on both affordability and performance. Kicking off the list at number 5 is the Pixio PXC277 Advanced, a 27-inch monitor designed for gamers who crave smooth, responsive gameplay without breaking the bank. It features an IPS panel with a 165Hz refresh rate and 1 ns response time, making fast-paced gaming feel incredibly fluid. Imagine dodging bullets and landing precise shots without any screen lag. It's that smooth. The monitor's curved design enhances immersion, pulling you deeper into the action. However, there are a couple of trade-offs. The 1080p resolution on a 27-inch display might not deliver the crispest visuals, making it feel like you're watching an old-school movie at times. Plus, HDR support is notably absent, so you won't get those vibrant, high-contrast visuals. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Pixio offers impressive performance at an affordable price, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious gamers. At number 4 is the Thermaltake TGM-I27FQ, a 27-inch curved gaming monitor that grabs attention with its sleek design and impressive visuals. Featuring a 1440p 2K resolution and a VA panel, this monitor delivers sharp, vibrant images with deeper contrasts, perfect for immersive gaming. It also supports HDR, giving your games richer colors and enhanced details, making every frame pop like you're looking through high-quality lenses. But there are a couple of downsides. The 4ms response time, while decent, is not the fastest, meaning it might not be as snappy for competitive, fast-paced games. Think of it as being slightly behind the curve when you need those split-second reactions. Additionally, its connectivity options are somewhat limited, with fewer ports than some competitors, making it less versatile for multiple device setups. However, for gamers looking for great visuals at a reasonable price, the Thermaltake is a strong contender. At number 3 is the Asus ROG Strix XG27 ACS, a 27-inch monitor built for speed and precision, making it a top choice for competitive gamers. Its standout feature is the 0.5ms response time, ensuring lightning-fast reactions during intense gameplay, while the TN panel and 170Hz refresh rate keep motion smooth and blur-free. The gamer-centric design, complete with customizable RGB lighting, adds a stylish touch to your setup, and Asus's reputation for reliability means you're in good hands. However, the TN panel comes with some trade-offs. The viewing angles are limited, so colors and brightness might shift if you're not viewing it straight on, making it less ideal for content creation or watching videos. Additionally, color accuracy is not its strongest suit, so if you're looking for vibrant, true-to-life hues, this monitor might fall short. Still, for fast-paced gaming, the Strix XG27 ACS is a powerhouse with all the essential features for serious gamers. Now coming at number 2, LG UltraGear 27GR93U, a 27-inch 4K gaming monitor that takes your visuals to the next level. Equipped with nano IPS technology, this monitor delivers stunning color accuracy and deep contrast, making every frame feel lifelike. The 144Hz refresh rate combined with 1 ms response time ensures ultra-smooth gameplay, while NVIDIA G-Sync minimizes screen tearing for a seamless experience. It's like upgrading from standard gaming to the VIP lounge of visual performance. The 4K resolution brings incredible sharpness to your games, letting you see every detail with crystal clarity. However, this premium experience comes with a high price tag, making it one of the more expensive monitors on the market. Definitely a splurge for those serious about top-tier gaming. Also, while HDR is supported, the performance can be inconsistent, with some moments looking vivid and others more muted. Still, for elite gaming, the LG UltraGear 27GR93U is hard to beat. And finally, our top of the list is the MSI MPG 321URX QD-OLED, a true masterpiece in gaming monitors. This 32-inch monitor features a stunning QD-OLED panel, offering deep inky blacks and vibrant colors with mind-blowing contrast. Paired with 4K resolution, every pixel is packed with detail, giving you a gaming experience so immersive it feels like you're stepping into another world. With HDR 600 support, expect dazzling highlights and a broader range of brightness levels that make games look breathtaking. The 144Hz refresh rate ensures ultra-smooth gameplay, perfect for both fast-paced action and cinematic visuals. However, this premium experience comes at a steep price. It's one of the priciest monitors on the market, meant for those who want the absolute best. And while it excels in immersive visuals, it might feel like overkill for competitive esports, where speed and response times matter more than sheer visual quality. So which monitor speaks to your pixel-loving soul? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, gaming isn't just about pixels, it's about the friends we frag along the way. Until next time, keep those frames high and your spirits higher.